Alright, so today I'm on the edge of a river and a trout stream, so might be a little bit different fishing. I think I'm going to fish up the trout stream, so I'm right at the beginning of the tributary. We'll give you a look here. So the trout stream is this leg here. This is one section of the river where it comes in and joins, and then over there is where the main river is. So it kind of splits up there a little ways and then comes back together. Anyways, obviously we're going after trout. It's a cool day. It's not as warm as yesterday. I think it's 41 and dropping fast. So we'll see how we do. And I'm hoping, I've been here before and I've caught some really nice fish, so I'm hoping I can repeat that. And I don't think I'll be seeing any on top activity. It's a really overcast day, so the fish are going to try and probably 10 feeding towards the bottom. We'll see how we do, and hopefully we'll have a fish catch here shortly. All right, look at that. Those are, I don't know if you can see them, but right in front of me is a bunch of trout fry. I mean, thousands of them. They start from here and they go all the way up into that area right up to there. There are thousands of trout fry. So that's pretty impressive to see. And it's really also really good to see that this is another one of those naturally producing streams. So I'm going to try and fish. I won't walk in these guys. They all chased my fly. I won't walk in these guys because I don't want to really disturb them. So I'll go upstream of them. But I'm using a little nymph today. I know it's pretty typical of me, regardless of the weather, to use a nymph. But it really does work well on these fish. I can present it well. I don't have to worry too much about wind. The bites seem to be very aggressive. All in all, it's a pretty good system. So I successfully spooked all the fish in that first hole. Since I am right next to the campground, I'm pretty sure I will have to walk a couple hundred yards upstream, simply because this is the most convenient area to fish. So we're running up the stream, although this does look really nice. It's shocking to me that I haven't seen a fish in this hole at all. It looks to be a beautiful hole. It's about 3-4 feet deep. I haven't even spooked them out, so I'm going to say that this hole had 0 fish in it. Just saw one rise up there. Little guy, but you know, I'd take a little guy right now, every day. Great cast. There we go. That's better. Well, I might have to switch over to a nymph and catch that guy, because he is just going to town. Or excuse me, not a nymph, a dry fly. I mean, he's just surfaced 5 times in the last minute. 6 times in the last minute. Change up tactics time. Nymph 0. Talk about luck, guys. Oh yeah, I see him. That's actually a nice fish. Talk about luck. I grabbed the one fly that probably has the most crap over the eyelet. So I'm gonna grab out my second one. Good thing that floats. Just dropped my tackle box. Whew. This has been the epitome of bad fly changing habits. Belly down. All right. So after that exhaustingly long process of changing flies and failing, I got a dry fly on and I'm presenting it upstream to him. He hasn't taken it yet, but I found a maple leaf. Advantageous to have as a bait. So he's moved. I've got two fish here actually. One of them with a large chunk out of his head. There we go. Little rainbow, but he'll do. So these fish moved. Really healthy fish. These fish moved up in front of me there, and I just put it right in front of him. He rose up and we got him. Give you guys a view of him. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's what he looks like. Probably a 10-inch fish. Sorry, probably a 10-inch fish. And here he goes. Back in. Alright, so we're not skunked. Caught him on a dry fly. Unusual for basically December 1. But pretty nice little rainbow trout. He was thick. He'll be a good one in about 5 years. He doesn't get eaten by then. Well, he'll get eaten well before then. I shouldn't say that. Update, I got my butt kicked on this stream. I caught one fish. I think I saw a total of 5 trout. Maybe 2 of those were catchable, and I caught the one. Gonna switch streams, like I said before, and we'll update you when we get there. So I spooked 2 fish out of here too. Nice thing is, it's kind of a fresh start because fish aren't gonna hop this little rapids at this water level. Find a snag because of the wind. Great. Yeah, finding rocks. There I just spooked fish. Dang it. Hold up. Hold up here. I gotta figure out how to use this thing. There we go. Oh man, I don't like that outro at all. Alright, we'll start over. So today was a really rough day. I only caught 1 fish. It was a little rainbow. I probably should have been a lot happier when I caught him, but I thought I was actually going to catch 2 or 3 in that pool. I had 2 or 3 very active feeding fish, and I caught that rainbow, and it just stopped. It turned off. That was unusual. Then the clouds came in, and I moved to this second stream here, and I saw just a ton of fish at this second stream. I probably saw upwards of 100 fish, but the issue was I was getting up to where I could cast to them, 30, 40 feet out, and I'd start casting at them, and they'd spook. They were very, very line shy. Didn't matter if I was using nymphing or on top, and didn't matter how sneaky or well presented I had it. I mean, I put the fly perfectly in front of a bunch of fish, and they just didn't bite it. So we gotta take what we can get, I guess, and learn from our hard days and cherish our good days. With that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had some fun making it, but it also got me down a little bit, so hopefully the next video is a little bit more upbeat. Thanks guys for watching.